Hello viewers, welcome to our channel The Craving Corner. Today we are going to make masala buttermilk or masala chash with a new twist. But before that, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time we post a new video. This is going to be something that is going to be a refreshing drink and nice in summers or winters. Let's begin. Here are my ingredients. It's fresh yogurt, homemade or market, whatever you prefer. I have crushed ice, my seasonings, and the ingredients that are going to go in the buttermilk are ginger, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, and I have coated the glasses and decorated it with some greens. So here are my chopped ingredients and the masalas, which is chaat masala, rock salt and salt. Let's take 2 cups of water, add the crushed ice, and again ice is optional. This is homemade yogurt, but you can use outside or the market bought, store bought. Add the chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, and the greens, which are mint leaves and cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Blend them all together. I'm using the hand blender, but you can use any blender that you have handy, and add the masalas. Now my chaat masala does not have salt, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of the rock salt, chaat masala and salt, but you can add the seasonings and the masalas per your taste. Also you can add some crushed cumin seeds, which is the jeera powder. And there you go. Blend it all together and pour it in your glasses and enjoy the refreshing masala buttermilk on a nice hot day. See how nice it looks, and it's easy to make. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.